Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to make this Origami YouTube Shorts logo. So grab a square sheet of paper and let's go. So let's start. Alright, now first you want to take your final colour at the facing downwards. So here I'm having my white side up. So first you want to take this corner and bring it down to the opposite corner here. You want to make a diagonal fold and flatten. Alright, now unfold. And we're going to do the same thing in the other direction. So take this corner and bring it down to this corner. Alright, now unfold. Now we're going to fold all of these corners into this center intersection here. So we're going to take this corner, bring it down there. And then same thing here. Same thing there. So take the corner and bring it to the center. And then finally here. Alright, now that we've done this, we're going to rotate the model this way, and we're going to fold this edge to the left to that edge here. So you want to match these two edges and make them align. And then unfold, and we're going to do the same thing, but this time with this edge that we're going to bring to this left edge. And flatten. Now unfold, and now we're going to fold both of these creases at the same time. So you just do this, and you want to pinch the triangle in the middle, just like that. Perfect. Alright, now that we've done this, we want to bring this to the left, just like this, unfold. And now we're going to take this left tip here and bring it to the intersection of these two creases right there. And unfold. And now we're going to bring the crease we've just made and we're going to align it with this crease right there. So just bring this up there, and you want to make sure that this crease on the red paper here is continued by the crease on the white paper there. And flatten. Alright, now we're going to fold the two. So we're first going to fold the top edge down to that middle crease there. There we go, flatten and unfold. Now we're going to do the same thing on the bottom, so take this bottom edge and bring it to the middle line. And flatten. Now unfold, and we're going to do the same thing with this right edge that we're going to bring to this crease right there, that one. and unfold. Alright, now we're going to fold this crease and that one at the same time. So just fold them both like this, perfect, and you want to pinch this together. And this extra flap that's in the air right here, you want to bring it down to the right and flatten. And now you're just going to organize the layers. You want to have this white flap above all of this. Perfect. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this crease. Let me show it to you, that crease. We're going to align it with this edge here. So the way you do this, you put your finger underneath, you bring everything on top, and then you close this at the same time. And you want to pinch here. And then here, you just want to flatten the whole section. Alright, that's it. Now once we've done this, we're going to turn the model over. And now we're going to take care of the round sides of the YouTube Shorts logo. So the way we do this, first we're going to bring this corner up to this point here. Bring that here, alright. And we're going to fold the tip inside a little bit just to make it kind of a bit more rounder shape. Perfect. And then same thing here, we're just going to bring this down and fold the tip inside a bit to make a kind of round shape. Alright, now we're going to make these sides round. So the way we do this is we take this left edge and bring it to the right. So there's no actual reference here, but you want to make sure that the swivel here, the swivel I'm doing there, is kind of halfway through that length. So I'm going to go here, so the middle point there, we're halfway in. Amazing. And there we go. Alright, now we're going to, here you can see it doesn't lie flat, so you need to pull this section apart and press on it. It actually doesn't matter if this is a bit messy, because it'll just be the back side, so you won't really see it. Now we're going to do the same thing here. So take this right edge and bring it to the left. And same thing, the reference is you want to have the swivel here come to the kind of middle of that segment. And here I'll swivel it here as well, there we go. And now we're going to take this tip and bring it up to make a crease there. There we go. Now same thing here. Take this and bring it down. There we go. Now once again we want to fold the tip inside to soften the curve a bit and make it a bit more round shaped. Now we're going to turn over the model. That's already looking pretty good. Now we want to make the play button a bit better shaped. So the way we do this is, also you can see the play button here is a bit to the top section only. It's not on the bottom one. So we're going to spread it, and for that you're going to pull some extra paper out here. Now we have that extra paper. You just pull it out, we're going to bring that extra paper down and we're going to squash this whole section. Alright, now once we've done that, it's still not a perfect shape. We need to have the white part like a horizontal line. The way we do this is we're going to fold this backwards. So first we're going to make a valley fold here, and then we're going to make a mountain fold on it, just tuck it in. This is a bit tricky, but you should manage. So just push this in and then hide this all. Alright, so that's already more vertical, and there we go. This is our YouTube Shorts logo. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.